What? Now you're frisky? Hmm? What's that? Now you're frisky after you took a big old poop? Hmm? Hmm? Yep, see all that? It's from cleaning that room right over there.
Stop it.
That this frisky boy, whose diaper's about to fall off, made a mess out of. Because he has a little separation anxiety. Barf.
Wolf.
Barf.
The puppy doesn't like the mattress.
Vote. Vote.
Spot with blood.
Vote. There's some big ears you got there. All right. Time to try a new diaper. There's Foster Daddy.
What?
Hey, Foster Daddy. How you feeling?
Awesome. Cold and wet.
Murph? Foster Puppy says, what? What's wrong?